Today, we are going to be talking about an interesting topic, time travel. As you may know, Chat GPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. It has the ability to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So, we decided to ask Chat GPT what it thinks about the possibility of time travel. Here's what Chat GPT had to say. Time travel is a fascinating concept, and it has long captured the imagination of people all over the world. While some scientists believe that time travel is theoretically possible, others are skeptical and believe it will always remain in the realm of science fiction. According to current understanding of the laws of physics, time travel would require the manipulation of space-time itself. Some theories suggest that this could be achieved through the use of advanced technologies, such as black holes or wormholes. However, these theories are still highly speculative and have yet to be proven. It's also worth noting that time travel could potentially have significant consequences, such as paradoxes or the alteration of the past. These consequences would need to be carefully considered before attempting to develop a time machine. In short, the possibility of time travel is still an open question, and it's unclear when or if it will ever become a reality. However, the possibility of exploring the mysteries of the universe and potentially even changing the course of history is an exciting prospect. And it's likely that scientists and researchers will continue to study the possibility of time travel in the future. So, it seems that ChatGPT is open to the idea of time travel, but recognizes that there are still many unknowns and challenges to overcome. It will be interesting to see if and when time travel becomes a reality, and what the consequences of such a development might be. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more.